Ooh, that's Mommy's favorite one. What is that? What is it, Paige? Is it a dolly? Look. Is it a dolly? You want to get the dolly? It's a Cabbage Patch dolly. Let's open it up. You gonna help Mommy? Oh, this one's tough, huh? There we go. We have to do it like that. And we'll give Daddy the box.
My goodness.
Whoa, this hard.
Okay, and then see how it's strapped on the back?
Yep. Gotta get her out. I'm working on it.
Oh, she's a nice dolly.
Yeah.
Gonna go get her?
Look. They have it been here real good. They don't want her to escape. Because if she escaped, then she wouldn't be in here for you to play with. And we don't want that. We want you to play with her. Okay. Here you go.
My goodness.
She'll come out now. Here you go.
Yeah, we can cut that. We really can.
It's a wristband.
Wristband. Okay, that might be a main tail.
Look, she's got a diaper. You can take it on and off. And look at, that's her belly button. She's got hair, too. Let's see, this is a book. This certifies her name is Angela Margaret. Was born on Cabbage Patch on February 21st. You have a birth certificate for her.